Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is August 10, 2016. My name's Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in today. All right, looking at the S&P 500 E-mini futures, you're going to see that the futures are trading higher today by 3 points, 21.80.5 per contract. We'll see how this market plays out. Yesterday was another light volume day. The market did give back its earlier gains, though. So again, we'll see what this market has in store today. But all in all, when you look at this kind of tape, you just have to take it day by day. Is this the summer doldrums, or is this going to be something more meaningful, and will we see some volatility this month? So we just sit on the edge of our seat and we wait, and we just take it one step at a time. All right, looking at some stocks in the news, we have quite a few out here. We're going to start off with the big one, Disney. So Disney this morning is trading at 95.40. Stock closed at 96.67. So it is down ticking a little bit here, but no real damage done ahead of the opening bell. We'll keep Disney on our radar today. Again, looks like there's some minor support just under $94. So we'll see if it can test that. But we will be looking to play Disney in the intraday stock chat room today if we get any kind of movement or volatility. So once again, if you want to come trade alongside of us, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room, and you'll see everything that we are doing in there. You get to see our desktops live. So again, we'll be looking at Disney this morning. Next on our list here is Yelp. Yelp caught a pretty good bid this morning. You could check out the news for yourself. It is on earnings. But again, a lot of this has to do with potential takeover chatter. I don't know if it's true or not. Right now, when I look at Yelp, this is a pretty good move up. Stock closed at 32.64. Now trading at 36.85. I think it's way overbought here, so I would not be a buyer. In fact, if I do see a reversal once the opening bell rings, it could be a potential short play. So again, I am not looking for more upside in Yelp. And we'll just see how it plays out once the opening bell ring. SunPower, SPWR is the ticker symbol here. This stock is getting absolutely toasted today. Closed at $14.78. It is now trading at $10.21. This is going to hurt a lot of the solar plays. So CSIQ, which is Canadian Solar, that closed at $14.45, now trading at $13.75. And then you have the mother of all solars, First Solar. That right now closed at $41.66, trading at $40.16. So that is looking pretty weak on the charts. All solar plays are weak. Let's take a look at Solar City. SCTY is the ticker symbol there. They are being bought out by Tesla. So even though they reported earnings, the stock is really not doing much because this is a buyout at $24.40 by Tesla. So again, don't look for much there. Let's take a look at Mylan, MYL. That is trading a little bit lower today, trading at $49, closed at $49.92. You can check out the news there. Again, a little down ticking, not seeing all that much. The only level that would interest me for this name would be around 44 bucks. If we got there, I think that would be a bounce level. Let's take a look here at Fossil, FOSL. The watchmaker and apparel maker is trading right now at $32, closed at $30.36. So that's just a good little pop higher. I don't see it going much higher. Maybe it could get to around 34 bucks, 33.80, somewhere around there. Should be a lot of resistance there. You can see it got to 34 in the pre-market. That's still a pretty big resistance point if you ask me. So don't look for a whole lot of upside, but we'll be looking at this one once the opening bell rings today. CyberArk, SYBR is the ticker symbol here. Stock closed at $55.31, now trading at $51.91. This is definitely an ugly move. So again, this stock is trading decently lower. Right now, when I look at levels for the name, I'm really not seeing anything that stands out. You might find a little bit of minor support around $49. That might be good for a bounce. After that, you're going to really have to look a lot lower, down around $41.75. But either way, we'll keep this one on the radar today. In sympathy to CyberArk right now, you want to look at a couple of others. Palo Alto, PanW. That could be trading a little bit lower on that news. And anything else in that cybersecurity sector could be a little bit weaker. Let's take a look at Michael Kors today. KORS is the ticker symbol here. Stock right now is trading at $48.17, closed at $50.11. So nice little dip right here. Now, if that 47 level gets taken out with any velocity, this is a stock that can sell off a lot further. So only level that interests me would be around 41.80, 41.75. I know that's a lot lower, but we're in those kind of times where when stocks get hit, they can get hit pretty hard. Let's take a look at PRGO. I'm going to try to have a gap level for this morning. Right now trading at 83.85. Stock closed at 95.09. So that is a huge decline this morning in Perigo. So keep that on the radar today. I will try to have some gap levels for this one. I did start to work on that. I should be done momentarily. Let's take a look at Ralph Lauren. RL is the ticker symbol here. Stock is catching a pretty nice bid. Closed at 95.07. Now trading at 101.70. So Ralph Lauren looking strong on the charts. This could go to around 104, 105 today. Let's take a look here at Wendy's. WEN is a ticker symbol here. Stock closed at 10.19, trading at 9.75. I do see support around 9.05. So if it gets down there, I think you could play it for a bounce around 9.05, $9, whole round number. That could be played. Let's take a look at MYGN. This is Myogen. Or Myriad, excuse me, Myriad Genetics. This stock closed at 29.46. It is getting hammered today, down around 21.11. So check out the news for yourself. This is getting hit pretty sharply. I will try to have gap levels for this as well. Right now, I'm just thinking it's going to go to 20 bucks. So again, be a little bit careful with this. Anything in that biotech world, you got to always watch for, because something goes wrong or numbers miss, these things can get annihilated, and this is getting annihilated. Let's take a look at U.S. Steel today. U.S. Steel down a little bit, closed at $24.27, trading at $23.40. I'm not sure the news. I think it's a downgrade, but you could check out the news for yourself. Either way, stock is trading decently lower. So all in all, it is a little on the weaker side, and we'll see how that plays out. All right, there are a lot more stocks too that are moving around that we will be looking at a little bit later. But right now, we want to go over to gold. Gold right now is trading up $15. So this is a great pop for gold futures. Gold right now is trading at $13.61. If you take a look at the GLD, you'll see that this is trading at $129.40. GLD closed at $127.96. So good pop there for gold ahead of the opening bell. Crude oil trading down about 12 cents, so we're not going to make too much out of that, and we'll just see where this all goes once the opening bell rings. All right, there you have it. That's everything in play today. That's where we'll look to focus on in the morning, and we'll see how it plays out. And again, if you want to trade alongside of us, take the 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. You'll see everything that we're doing there. We're having a great year, and once again, we're going to look to keep that going throughout the remainder of 2016. With that being said, everybody have a great session, and we will see you on the charts.